What's up, y'all? It's J Fred. Today I'm back. As you probably can tell by the thumbnail, we got a new car to the fleet. And this one might be a bad idea. I got a 2011 Range Rover Sport. It's got a few scratches here and there. Like here, some of the clear coat is peeling. I'm missing this end cap. A few other things. But we're gonna make this a little game. Fix it, sell it, scrap it. What y'all think we should do? I'm gonna just be real with y'all. I'm gonna fix it up. I like driving this thing. It's pretty sweet. It runs and drives right now. But but it needs a big job. So I want to know what y'all think. Come with me. The 2011, the 5.0, naturally aspirated. Who is cold? It's got 89,000 miles, and the one thing I know it needs is a timing chain. So besides that, let me give you guys a tour of it. We'll walk around the outside first. There's a few scratches on the body that I think we can buff out. Come around to see the outside for now. Like we have scratches here, but I think this will come out and won't be too bad. We had the towing package, although it's pretty crusty. Interior. So the one thing that I need to look into is I need to see if this comes from the headlight and if it's not hooked up to something, because this is pretty crazy. I had this fuel pump with it. We'll talk a little bit about that when I show you guys the error codes that it has and what's going on with the functionality of it. So yeah, I know a lot of people say this is the worst car to buy. It's not reliable, but my little bit of having it is pretty sweet. So I think I'm gonna fix it, and we're gonna see what happens next. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Would you have bought one? Come on, hop in. Hop in on the passenger side.
Just get in.
Stay on the outside. I'm gonna do a cold start. I want them to hear it. So I don't know how well that's picking up on the camera, but there's a bit of chain slap. I've reached in there myself. I'll put clips of that. All right, I'm gonna check the timing chain. Yeah, the chain is definitely loose. I'm in restricted mode. I don't know if you can see this. Restricted performance. This is it's in restricted performance. But she runs, let's see, parking brake fault, restricted performance. So it's the high and low pressure low. The high pressure fuel rail is low, and the low pressure fuel rail is low at times. The low is always, and the high is intermittent. Like if I try to give some gas, then it'll do that. But the car lifted up just fine, so I think the air shocks are good. And I think there's a parking wire, which is why the parking brake isn't working. But I got this launch creator for Jags, Range Rover. Cannot find it. Yeah, I got a car seat. Those of you that seen the other video, I took my son Jojo with us for a ride, and he loves the car. The things I don't like about the car, I don't have a lot of the creature comforts like heated steering, heated seats. This car was originally in Florida, so I'm assuming because it was warm, they didn't decide to get that. But other than that, this thing feels great. I mean, honestly, I don't notice that it's in restricted mode when I drive it. It pulls like crazy, so I've decided I'm gonna do the timing chain myself, as a few other shops have given us a crazy price. I don't think that that's worth paying that kind of price. $6,500, nah. So yeah, let's see what our scan tool, let it auto detect. We'll see what errors. You have any questions about the car? Anything that I didn't speak on enough?
That's it. No, I don't. Not really.
So yeah, she runs and drives. I don't really run it too often because I don't want the timing chain to jump and cause more damage. Right now, I need to get the parts and the tools to do the job. 2 fault codes. Instrument cluster, 1 fault code. Parking brake control module, 1 fault code. DDM, what is DDM? Driver's door module. Ooh, it's coming for us. Passenger door model. So yeah, I'm gonna stick the full fault list in the video. 2 engine control module codes. Fuel rail system pressure too high, fuel rail system pressure too low. That's what I meant before. It's intermittent is too high, and the too low is permanent. And I believe that's related to the timing. That I think that the timing on the camshaft is off. Instrument cluster control module, lost communication with parking brake control module. Okay. And then in parking brake control module, switch general electric failure, driver's door, left mirror heater output. So I guess my driver's mirror doesn't have heated working right now. HVAC, air conditioning, refrigerant pressure, key outer sensor, rear door passenger side central locking motor, right mirror heater output. Okay. These are all like related to the same thing. So this is just a brief walkthrough of the car. I hope you guys like this. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'm definitely going to do the timing job myself, so you guys will see that. If you've done the timing job on this non-supercharged motor, let me know how that went, how long it took you. Yeah, we're going to document everything, and hopefully everything works out. So if you like this, like, subscribe, let me know in the comments. Let me know if y'all want to see more of these car videos, if you want to see more of the fleet we got. Yeah, I'm trying to churn out more videos for y'all. So let me know what y'all rocking with and what y'all not. Peace. Yeah, let me know what y'all think. Worth the had it pay? Not worth it? 89,000 miles.